Hello, my name is Isabella Cynthia Lucy Dominic. How you all doing? So I saw a video going around the internet about a particular woman that was stripped naked and paraded around the town by some angry mob for I don't know what she did, but I think according to the story I read that she cheated on her husband, which resulted to the death of the husband or something. There are so many unverified informations going around the internet, but my major concern is beating the woman, stripping her naked and parading her around the town. I don't get it. When I talked about discrimination against the women, the African women in an international program, an international conference for the International Women's Day. A lot of men, especially Nigerian men, trooped into my DM to ask me, to question me on why I should say such a thing in an international program. It's just like exposing the culture, what they call culture. But me, I personally call it a barbaric culture. So they were asking me why I should say such a thing, why I should say it. It's not right. I mean, why should why should a woman be paraded like that in this 21st century? Why? This is the reason why every parent, if you condemn what I'm saying, mind you that you will still have daughters, and I'm sure that you wouldn't want your daughters to be paraded like that. You don't have evidence against this woman. Even if she did what she did, there are so many ways to punish her other than stripping her naked and parading her around the town. That's not right. If you think she killed her husband, hand her over to the police. Take her to court. If you have evidence against her, provide it and she will be sent to the prison. Other than parading her around the town. That's not right. That's very wrong. Alright, this is the main reason why every man, every parent should make sure that their girl child are well educated in order to know their right and know when it is violated.